Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about 50 most important questions of geography which has been asked in previous year competitive examinations. Without much ado, let's begin with our first question. Our first question is, the southernmost point of India is? Answer, Indra Point. Indra Point is a point in Nicobar district of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We have a note here. Indra Point was formerly known as Pygmalion Point. This question was asked in UP Lower Subordinate Prelims in 2002, also in UP PCS Prelims 1990. Our second question is, the southernmost point of India mainland is? Our answer should be Kanyakumari. It is also known as Cape Comorin and it is located in Tamil Nadu. Now understand the difference between the two questions. The southernmost point of India is Indra Point and the southernmost point of India mainland is Kanyakumari. When we talk about mainland, our answer should be Kanyakumari. Moving on to the next question. Name the place in India where Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean meet. Our answer should be Kanyakumari. It is a part of Tamil Nadu and this question was asked in Jharkhand PCS Prelims 2016. Moving on to the next question. The northernmost point of India is? Our answer should be Indra Kol. It is situated near Siachen Glacier in Ladakh. Now what is Kol? The lowermost point of the two mountain peaks is Kol. We have additional information about Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayan mountains. We have coordinates 35° north and 77° east. Moving on to the next question. The easternmost point of India is? The answer is Kibithu. Kibithu is a town in Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India and Kibithu is situated in the district of Anjaw. The spell check Anjaw. It shares border with China's Tibet region. Kibithu is situated on the right bank of the mighty Lohit River. Moving on to the next question. The westernmost point of India is? Answer, Guhar Moti or Guhar Mota in the Kutch region of Gujarat. It is located near the disputed Sar Creek and the Koteshwar temple. Here we have climate variations. In summer we have 45 degrees centigrade and in winter we have 20 degrees centigrade. Moving on to the next question. The highest point of India is? Answer, Kanchenjunga. Its height is about 8,586 meters altitude. It lies at the border of Nepal and India. Moving on to the next question. The lowest point of India is Kuttanad. Its height is about 2.2 meter. It is situated in Kerala in the Alappuzha and Kottayam districts. We have some additional information about Kuttanad. Kuttanad is also called the rice bowl of Kerala. Food and Agricultural Organization has declared the Kuttanad farming system as a globally important agriculture heritage system. Moving on to the next question. Name the neighboring countries of India. Answer, Pakistan number 1, Afghanistan number 2, China number 3, Nepal number 4, Bhutan number 5, Myanmar number 6, Bangladesh number 7, Maldives number 8, Sri Lanka number 9. Do you know the changed name of Afghanistan? If you know, then please do mention in the comments below. Our 10th question is, name the Indian states and union territories that share their boundaries with Pakistan. Answer, Ladakh, which is a union territory, Jammu and Kashmir, which is also a union territory, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian state, union territory that share their boundaries with Afghanistan. Answer, Ladakh. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian state, union territories that share their boundaries with China. the most important one. Answer: Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian states, union territories that share their boundaries with Bangladesh. Answer: Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian states, union territories that share their boundaries with Myanmar. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Note: Myanmar is also called as the land of Golden Pagoda. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian states, union territories that share their boundaries with Nepal. Answer: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim. Moving on to the next question. Name the Indian states, union territories that share their boundaries with Bhutan. Answer: West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. We have some additional information about Bhutan. Bhutan is also called the land of thunderbolt. Moving on to the next question. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is known as. Answer: Radcliffe Line. Additional info says India and Pakistan were separated through a draft created by a Britisher, Cyril Radcliffe, and that is why line between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe Line. Moving on to the next question. The boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan is known as. Answer: Durand Line. Moving on to the next question. In sea, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea known as. Answer: Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. The Park Strait was named after the then governor of Madras, Robert Park, from 1753 to 63. Moving on to the next question. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is an example of. Answer: Superimposed boundary. Now what is superimposed boundary? The superimposed boundary is a boundary that has been imposed over an area by an outsider or conquering power. Example: Radcliffe Line. Moving on to the next question. McMahon Line forms the boundary between. Answer: India and China. It's not Indian, it's India and China. Moving on to the next question. Which state of India has border with three countries, namely Nepal, Bhutan, and China? Answer: Sikkim. Moving on to the next question. The Indian subcontinent was originally part of a huge landmass called. Answer: Gondwana continent. The Indian subcontinent was originally part of a huge landmass called Gondwana continent. Gondwana was an ancient supercontinent that broke up about 200 million years ago. The continent eventually split into landmasses that we recognize today as Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica, the Indian subcontinent, and the Arabian Peninsula. Moving on to the next question. India is divided into how many natural territories? Answer: 4. India is divided into 4 main natural regions. These are northern mountain regions, large plains, peninsular plateau, coasts, and islands. It is further subdivided into 6 subphysical regions. Number 1, northern mountains. Number 2, Sindhu-Ganga plains. Number 3, Thar desert. Number 4, central highland and Deccan plateau. Number 5, coastal plains. Number 6, sea and islands. Moving on to the next question. The branch that studies the magnetic properties preserved in the rocks, sediments, or other such things during their formation is known as. Answer: Paleomagnetism. Moving on to the next question. In which part of Uttarakhand are artesian wells found? This question was asked in Uttarakhand PCS Mains 2006. And the answer is Tarai. An artesian well is simply a well that does not require a pump to bring water to the surface. This occurs when there is enough pressure in the aquifer. The pressure forces the water to the surface without any sort of assistance. In Uttarakhand, artesian wells are mostly found in Tarai region. Moving on to the next question. The rocks which have the largest reserve of coal in India are answer Gondwana rocks. Moving on to the next question. The oldest geographical region of country is answer Indian Peninsular Plateau. Moving on to the next question. The area or the region is a desert region located in the northwestern Punjab province, that is Pakistan. Answer the Sindhu area or the Indus Valley region. Moving on to the next question. The highest mountain range in the world is answer the Himalayas, which is about 2500 km. Himalayas can be divided into four parallel structure regions. A. Trans-Himalayas, which is in Tibet's region. B. Great Himalaya, which is Himadri. C. Middle Himalayas, which is known as Lesser Himalaya. And D. Outer Sub-Himalaya, which is Shivalik range. Moving on to the next question. The highest peak of the world located in Great Himalayas is answer Mount Everest. It is located on the boundary of Nepal and Tibet. Moving on to the next question. The third highest peak of the world lies in the Himalayas is answer Kanchenjunga. It lies between Tista River in the east and Taimur River in the west. Moving on to the next question. The youngest mountain range in India is answer Himadri. This question was asked in UPPCS exams prelims 2020. Moving on to the next question. The oldest mountain range of India is answer Aravalli range. So the 35th question is the Himalayas are formed of parallel four ranges. Of which of the oldest range? This question was asked in IAS prelims exams in 1994. And the answer is the Great Himalayan Range. Moving on to the next question. In which part of Himalayas is Karewa landforms found? Answer Kashmir Himalayas. This question was asked in MPPCS prelims 2019. A succession of plateaus is present above the plains of Jhelum and its tributaries. These plateaus like terraces are called Karewa and Buhur in the local language. Moving on to the next question. The flat plains along the sub-Himalayan region in North India are called answer Bhabar. This question was asked in UPPCS prelims 2007. Moving on to the next question. The foothills region of Himalayas is answer Shivalik. This question was asked in BPSC prelims in 1999. Moving on to the next question. The Kumaon Himalayas is situated between which of the rivers? Answer Satluj and Kali. This question was asked in UPRO and ARO prelims in re-exam of 2016. Moving on to the next question. The geographic Himalayas part between the Indus and Satluj rivers is called answer Punjab Himalayas. Moving on to the next question. The Himalayas between the Kali and Tista rivers is known as answer Nepal Himalayas. Moving on to the next question. The Himalayas between the Tista and the Dihang river is known as answer Assam Himalayas. Moving on to the next question. The lesser Himalayas are located between answer Shivalik and Great Himalayas. This question was asked in Uttarakhand PCS prelims 2006. Moving on to the next question. In comparison to eastern Himalayas, the value of height of tree line in western area is answer less. This question was asked in UPPCS Mains 2005. Moving on to the next question. The state that does not lie along Patkai Hills. Answer: Tripura. This question was asked in UPPCS Mains 2015. Moving on to the next question. Cherrapunji is situated in. The answer is Khasi Hills. Cherrapunji is a subdivisional town in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. Cherrapunji is often credited as being the wettest place on earth. Moving on to the next question. Valley of Kashmir is situated between. The answer is Pir Panjal and Himadri ranges. This question was asked in UPPCS Prelims 2020. Moving on to the next question. Himachal stands for. Answer: the Middle Himalayas. This question was asked in UPPCS Special Mains 2008. Moving on to the next question. The tunnel which connects Manali and Lahaul Spiti Valley is. Answer: Atal Tunnel. This tunnel reduces the distance by 46 km between Manali and Leh. It provides better connectivity to the armed forces in reaching Ladakh, the most important one. And we have our final question. Pir Panjal is located in. The answer is Middle Himalaya. It is spread in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir from southeast to northwest. So these are the 50 most important questions of the geography. I hope this might be helpful. Thanks for watching.